Top of the
It's been so long since I've recorded a video, I can't remember how to use my camera. Hi.
Yeah, because it's so thick.
So, we're going camping for Leanne's 40th birthday. And we've just packed up the car.
Squeezing.
We are literally floor to roof packed. Christopher's trying to shove some towels in for me. We've got stuff everywhere. I'll get Bethany to take a video, but we're literally going camping for 2 days. 2 nights. It's today's Friday and we're coming home Sunday, so that's all mostly like bedding because it's gonna be cold. It's freezing, it's the middle of winter.
Oh, charger. Did you pack my charger?
Yes, okay.
Oh, cool.
Mum's very full. This is my side.
It's alright, we'll have a baby charger anyway.
You can't really, I can't open the boot because everything will fall out, but it is very, very full to the brim. This is Hayley's side.
Well, it worked. Chris crammed it in there perfect.
And Mick has the most amount of space.
I've got to drive!
From the front of the car, you can see how full it is. But I'm gonna go say goodbye to the dog. Hey baby. Hey Baba. Are you gonna miss us? Or are you just annoyed that we're all going out and not taking you, hey? No, honey. He's so cute. Give me a kiss. So I'm pretty sure Mum already mentioned it is Leanne's 40th birthday today. So happy birthday, Leanne. Hope you're having a good one. Okay, bye baby. Hello, gorgeous. I'm going to say goodbye. Not to play. Can I have a kiss? Chris isn't coming. He's staying home to look after the dog and the house and the cat.
Because I dropped the lid.
We're off.
I am
so comfortable. I'm comfortable, I'm just sweating. And we off again. Got some snacks. We got some strawberries and some dipping chocolate. And we're off again. Is anybody else exhausted after that shopping trip?
No, not just that shopping trip.
Getting everything in the car.
You got all the time in the car to drive there to rejuvenate, so you've got the energy to put the tent up when we get there.
I don't know how long it's been.
In 600 metres,
but I'm tired.
onto Maygar Street.
No!
We're going that way.
Hayley's cracked open her snack. What? Are you enjoying your snack?
Oh yeah. Just ignore it. I'll take it.
Let's get that U-turn left.
How's everyone else feeling?
I have a little bit of anxiety, to be honest.
Oh, why?
There's too many cars.
Yeah.
Where the hatch bit is.
What time is it?
Summertime, it's suffocation.
What was that, Bethany?
What time is it?
Summertime. 20 past 4.
Okay.
Yeah, same. So we're stuck in traffic. Oh, blow that number plate out, bro. Said 9 PM.
Oh, I can see it. There's. Oh, it's so far down there. It's not focusing. I'm getting triggered. Whoa. Who's that cutie? Oh my god. Personally? You know who Eric Clapton is? Before your time. Bitch, you're 40 now. Making him. Making. Who's singing? And carry on.
The Three Sisters.
It won't be long.
Yeah, you can do both lists. I'll do
Here
it.
in heaven. Good morning. You look how I feel. I look horrible. We're just vlogging. 8:41. Nick just went to the servo to get us some strawberry milk. Because we didn't have breakfast with us, so we didn't bring breakfast.
I'm going to Cassie to get some rice bubbles.
Yeah, 100%. Unless she's already at the gym. We're gonna go visit Cassie in her cabin. Haley's gonna eat some of her rice bubbles. I'm not, because I don't want to eat rice bubbles. We'll see you up there. Are you okay? We used to come across here. Oh, look, Vinny's. I'm just trying to recreate that. Oh, Vinny's, they're everywhere.
Look, there's a basketball court over there.
I don't remember this place at all.
We were here, they used to
Yeah,
have
that's
a
what
blind
you
spot.
said. It's changed a little.
Oh yeah, it's probably been
You can do that, like,
upgraded a
be
little.
like Venice.
Like these never used to be here, now they are.
Okay.
Robert Island Caravan Park.
Is that where we took the picture while we're sitting down?
That was in there. Yeah, in that.
Yeah.
And you're holding Taylor.
We used to
across your
camp
laps.
there.
Yeah.
Oh, a little
It's all starting to come down.
family holidays.
Oh, never used to be there.
Nice little family holiday
Cheap
trips.
pubs.
Haley doesn't remember them. You're probably too little.
I vaguely remember.
Good to see you say that.
We got to the beach.
Let's go to the beach. Eat.
Nicki Minaj. Yeah. Oh my god! It's freezing!
Oh!
Nah. So we're at Bribey Island. I'm sure Bethany's been filming this whole time. Look how beautiful it is here. It's absolutely gorgeous. Sun's out, water's a bit fresh. I don't know what these guys are doing. What have you found?
I thought I seen a crab.
Mum, I found a mini shell.
Teeny tiny. No thanks. While they're digging, me and Haley are enjoying the scenery. Having a good weekend so far?
I wasn't thinking it'd be better.
Oh no, poor Haley's sick. I can't see a thing. Me either. I can't even tell if we're in focus. Anyway, Bethany, I'm pretty sure, has filmed everything so far.
She's trying to put your lips everywhere.
Wait. So I know that's not going to make a noise. Not straight away.
Made a noise. It's quite a deep noise.
I can't do it now. I think there's too much for me.
Maybe.
Oh, you need to drink a bit.
No, we do.
But he's a pro. Am I the only one who can't pour a bottle? Maybe it's because it is. Maybe it's my bottle. I can't.
Here, wait, you want mine?
No, I'm pretty sure it's me.
Can't say.
You don't think you get with cans of splashback. Please.
Yeah, good point. Cling, cling, cling.
You got the percussion happening with the.
I got excited and my lip moved. I got excited and your lip moved.
It made noise and I went. Crazy. Oh shit, I'm gonna wet myself. Just a little.
You just need a bit of padding in your undies. It's so good.
There you go.
Oh, that was. Did you get off, Phil? It's not happening again. See, I just didn't have enough fluid taken out.
Yeah, it doesn't work with fluid in it.
You knew that the whole time.
So we've finished packing up the tent. How you feeling, Hayley? Sad to leave? Mum?
Yeah, a little bit.
It's cold. It's bloody windy last night. Like our tent almost flew away. If it wasn't for those big fat pegs that we had, we would have gone flying.
We're saving a bit of room for the back. It's still going to be tight.
So we're going.
Wow.
Here you go.
Whose vlog is this?
Fine.
Actually, that pilot too, Oasis. And that's 8. So an extra $2, you get an extra 2 cruises. Yeah, no. I reckon you won't like the mixed pack, would you?
Okay, I'm just scratching my belly button. Oh my god.
Oh!
What was that?
I just stood on the edge of that and rolled my ankle.
I love that for you.
Wait, from the edge of what?
From the edge of the thing. And rolled his ankle.
A bit further down.
What the hell, Hayley?
Yeah, actually.
I just rolled. I'm like a bubble tea.
Oh bloody hell, it's too bright. I can't do this. Sorry, vlogging life is not for me.